Sarah is in the shopping mall. Sarah is in the shopping mall. She was in the shopping mall. She was in the shopping mall. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. He was a doctor. He was a doctor. Bell, subscribe now and start your journey to fluent English today. She was a patient. She was a patient. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. They are spouses. They are spouses. They were spouses. They were spouses. She has 2 children. She has 2 children. They are police officer. They are police officer. These people are Indian. These people are Indian. Those people were Indian. Those people were Indian. She is in the car. She is in the car. She was in the car. She was in the car. She has a blue-colored car. He has a lot of money. He has a lot of money. Because he was a businessman. Because he was a businessman. There is a village. There is a village. And there are mountains over there. And there are mountains over there. There are 3 children. There are 3 children. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for new lessons every time. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for new lessons every time. Sarah is a pretty girl. She has blue eyes and long blonde hair. Sarah is a pretty girl. She has blue eyes and long blonde hair. Her personality is really nice. Her personality is really nice. There are many children at the beach. There are many children at the beach. They have a puppy with them. They have a puppy with them. There is a clinic in the village. There is a clinic in the village. The clinic is neat and clean. The clinic is neat and clean. The villagers are very kind and hospitable. The villagers are very kind and hospitable. Village life is simple and peaceful. Village life is simple and peaceful. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for new lessons every time.